Today we're talking solar and we're talking tax breaks. There are fantastic tax breaks available to you, the individual, and to you as a business owner. These are tax breaks offered to you by the government as an incentive to get the public contributing to the solution. The solution, as we know, is to the Eskom problem. Eskom can simply not provide enough electricity for the country. They just can't do it. We've seen it. We're sitting on stage 6 load shedding at the moment. A few days ago it was 4, and a few days before that it was 2. We may well be at stage 8 or 10 within a week. But the long-term outlook for South Africa is that you and I, we need to get real. Eskom will not be able to supply all the electricity needs for the future, and we as individuals need to take action. As business owners, we need to take action for ourselves. We need to get ourselves energy independent. My name is Neil Forster from Power in the Box, where we help you to unleash your energy independence. We're looking at the tax breaks open to both the individual and to businesses. And in this video, I'm going to quantify it so that you get a really tangible feel for exactly what the tax breaks are. And for you and I, we're talking about discounts. How much is the government going to pay for this? So the first thing to note is that for the individual, it's a tax rebate, and for a business, it's an accelerated depreciation. So let's have a look at the tax breaks available to both the individual and the business. For the individual, it's a tax rebate of 25%. 25% of the cost of your solar panels, whether they're new or used. But bear in mind, it's only the cost of the solar panels, not the inverter and the batteries. So the way the rebate works is you work out your tax payable for the year. So if your panels are costing you 30,000 Rand, 25% of that is 7,500 Rand, you'll pay 7,500 less tax. So effectively you're getting a 25% discount on your solar panels. For a business, it's different. Here it's 125%. But it's not a 125% discount. It's 125% of the cost of your whole solar installation. You take 1.25 times the cost, and you can depreciate that in 1 year. So when you talk to your tax guy or your accountant, he'll show you that you depreciate 125% of the cost of the plant, the whole energy plant. In other words, the solar, the inverters, and your batteries, or for that matter, if you're having a biomass energy plant, your energy asset, that's the way the government looks at it, 125% of your energy asset, you can depreciate it in 1 year. And as you know, company tax is 27%. So 27% of 125% of the price, it comes down to a discount of 33%. Roughly 33% of the cost of the plant, of the entire plant, which is a great incentive. The thing to realize with both of these is the individual incentive is only available for this tax year. So you've got to take action quickly. And it's by this tax year, I mean the 1st of March 2023 to the 28th of February 24. If you want to take part of this incentive, the 25% discount, you've got to install your solar during that time. And for the business, you get a little bit more time. You actually get 2 years. You get this year and next financial year. So if you install your plant within the next 2 years, the following year, you can claim 125% of the cost of your asset that you installed. You can claim it back as an accelerated depreciation. That's the way they look at it. So I hope this has really helped you to start planning for energy independence. We need to get there. The writing is on the wall. Eskom can't cope. Our electricity demands are going higher and higher and higher. The next step is we're all going to have to be driving electric vehicles, which is going to double your household consumption. We need to plan this, and what we offer at Power in the Box is a staged approach. So you start with a basic an inverter, which helps you to keep your home connected, as in basic lighting, computers, Wi-Fi, television set. That's our entry level. And from there you can go up in stages to completely off the grid. And we offer all the options on our site. Come and have a look at our site, look at the various pricing options, and see the stages of how to get to complete energy independence. And I trust you enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, please forward it on to a friend, subscribe so that you'll be notified when our next videos come along, or if you're watching this on Facebook, then please like our page and share it with your friends.